Hello, wonderful Biafrans and lovers of freedom. My greetings to each and every one of you. As you can see in this video tells you all you need to know about what is happening in Biafra land. This event just happened recently, I think 2 days ago. You can see these vehicles has been burnt to ashes, and the building surrounding it has also been almost burnt to ashes. These vehicles belong to terrorists, and the people that burn these vehicles are the people we now know as the UGM, the unknown gunmen. These vehicles belong to Fulani terrorists in police uniform who are in Biafra land, extorting Biafrans, kidnapping Biafrans, and also raping Biafrans. So, as God will have it, we now have some youth who voluntarily, committed themselves into cleaning the mess that this terrorist is causing our land by trying to destroy their vehicles, the operational vehicles, and also their headquarters, where they normally share the money they extorted from our people, especially our peasants. So I will say that what happened here, we are celebrating it and we want it to continue until all the terrorists in Biafra land is taken out of Biafra. Every policeman in Biafra land is a terrorist. Every military man in Biafra land is a terrorist. And we make bold to say that we want them to just get out of our land and go to their own lands. Okay? These people have been killing our people since 1914 when Nigeria was forcefully amalgamated. The South and the North was forcefully amalgamated. They came in the name of Fulani herdsmen. They have been killing our people, raping our women, destroying our farmland, destroying our crops. Now what they brought our land is what is called economic jihad, by targeting our businessmen, extorting them by their police and their army. In every 100 meters in Biafra land, you see checkpoints, police checkpoints, Nigerian police terrorist checkpoints. Their duty is to extort our people, taking the money forcefully away from our people. To an extent, police have been found carrying PMS, taking money illegally from our people, erecting illegal checkpoints in every 100 meters, the whole of Southeast. And we say enough of all this nonsense. The economic jihad by the Fulani will not stand. And thank God, some brave warriors of our land have taken it upon themselves to stop the advancement of the Fulani Caliphate, to take over the eastern region. That is why you see these burnt cars, you see the buildings being burnt. These buildings and the vehicles belong to police. This police, I'm telling you, is terrorists. They are working in God with the terrorists in Nigeria. Many people have said it. Many people in government have even said it. Many notable people have even said it. United Nations know, the world know that Nigeria is fighting a jihadist war. So, my people, if you're watching this video, just put your contribution. In any way you can assist these boys who are trying to save our land, save our mothers from their farms, and save our parents, and make them to be free to go to their farms. And also make us to plant crops and harvest it, to stop Fulani cow from eating our crops in the farm. If there is any way you can support these boys who have voluntarily committed themselves into fighting for our freedom, fighting for our future, the future of our children, the future of the young Biafran children, please, if there is any way you can support them, keep on supporting them. In any little way, whatever you can assist matters a lot. So I will allow you to watch the rest of the video. May God bless you. May God continue to guide you and protect you as we all come together, pull our resources together in whatever we can to make sure that we raise a formidable defense force against the invading Fulani terrorists in police and army uniforms. Thank you, and God bless you all.